This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ledger Nano S Plus and the Ledger Nano X. We'll explore their core features, highlighting what makes each unique. Both devices offer robust security for your digital assets, supporting thousands of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. We'll delve into their storage capacity, connectivity options, and battery capabilities, helping you decide which wallet best suits your needs. Let's get started with a general overview. When it comes to storing your crypto applications, both Ledger devices offer ample space. The Nano S Plus comes with 1.5 megabytes of storage, while the Nano X provides a slightly larger 2 megabytes. This means both wallets can comfortably hold up to 100 different cryptocurrency applications simultaneously. So, whether you have a few favorite coins or a diverse portfolio, you'll have plenty of room for your digital assets. Connectivity and portability are major differentiators. The Nano S Plus connects to your computer or Android phone using a USB-C cable, requiring a power source to function. In contrast, the Nano X offers more flexibility with both USB-C and Bluetooth connectivity. It also boasts a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing about 3 to 4 hours of active use, making it ideal for managing your crypto on the go without being tethered to a cable. Finally, let's consider the price and ideal use cases for each device. The Ledger Nano S Plus is the more budget-friendly option, typically priced around $79, making it excellent for desktop or Android users. The Nano X, at approximately $149, offers premium features like Bluetooth and iOS compatibility, perfect for those who manage their crypto frequently from various mobile devices. Choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.